Good morning, children. Welcome to class 7 science. I hope you all have enjoyed online classes of Bhagirathi Vidyalaya, and I hope you have learned all the lesson very carefully. Children, in your summer holidays vacation, you learned all the chapter very carefully, especially the keywords that is written on the back side of the chapter. Learn all the definition of keywords and do the practice on very fine paper. When school open, you show in front of me. Okay? And second, I am giving a project that is very important regarding your exam. So children, if you remember, in chapter 3 we have discussed about life cycle of silk moth. In that we have discussed, first of all, the adult female silk moth lays the fertilized egg on mulberry leaves. Then the larva hatch out from the egg. It turns into the caterpillar or silk moth. Then the caterpillar develops into the cocoons. Cocoons. In cocoons, the developing silk moth is there, and from the developing silk moth, the adult silk moth is formed. This is the life cycle of the silk moth that we have discussed in chapter 3, fiber to fabric. So children, you will make a project on the life cycle of the silk moth. See here, you can draw or stick pictures of the sketch of life cycle of silk moth. Okay, first of all, you find the picture that I'll show in this video. Okay, if you are unable to find, you can draw. Okay, and when you draw or collect the pictures and paste on the drawing sheet, you will explain the various stages involved in it. Okay, children, you can also use clay, thread, craft material to make your project attractive and 3D. Okay, to make 3D and attractive, you can use clay, thread and craft material. Okay, so now how to make the project, that is life cycle of silk moth. First of all, we'll collect pictures, like I'm showing some pictures in front of you. See very carefully. The first picture, that is adult silk moth. Second, female silk moth with eggs on mulberry leaves. Okay, this picture. Third, eggs on the leaves. Fourth, caterpillar, that is larva. Fifth, cocoon with developing moth. Sixth, cocoon with developing moth. Okay, these pictures you have to collect, and if you are unable to find these pictures, you can draw. Okay, you can take a screenshot from this video and draw on drawing sheet. Okay, how can you draw? I'm giving instruction to you. In this, first of all, you take a page of drawing sheet. Children, if you don't have the new drawing sheet, you can use the page from the old drawing sheet. Okay, then find the above pictures as we show in front of you. If you are unable to find these pictures, you can draw. But if you got these pictures, you can paste on drawing sheet. Okay, clear? Now after that, use craft material and clay to decorate your project. Okay, like you can decorate, first of all you collect all the pictures, then outline of the pictures you can decorate with the craft material, and you can also use clay, okay, inside the project. Okay, outline and inner line you can well maintain by the thread craft material, okay, to make your project attractive and 3D. Okay, now children, when you collect all the pictures or draw all the pictures, your project will look like that. Okay, first of all you will draw adult silk moth, then the female silk moth with eggs on mulberry leaves. Now you can see here the next stage, that is these are the eggs of the silk moth. Then these eggs develops into the larva, that is the caterpillar. The caterpillar turns into the cocoon or pupa. Then the cocoons develop into the moth, that is developing moth, and from developing moth the adult silk moth is formed. Okay, so final project look like this on your drawing sheet. Okay, these pictures you can collect, but if you unable to collect, you can draw these pictures. Okay, when you made your project like this, after that you explain the various stages of your project on another fine paper. Okay, and both paper you can use in a project file. Okay, only one project file we are giving to you for all subject, so both paper you can attach to your project file. Okay, clear? Very simple, very easy. That is the life cycle of silk moth. In life cycle you have to collect the various pictures. If you are unable to collect pictures, you can draw, and when you complete your project you can explain the various stages of life cycle of silk moth on another fine paper, and both the paper you attach to your project file. Okay, only one project file you have to make for all subject. Okay, thank you and enjoy your vacation. Okay.